Hey guys, so the kids have been bugging me and Mom to do what?
Build another box fort.
Yeah, we want to build
a sleepover.
Yeah, they want to build another box fort and do a sleepover.
Yeah.
So the kids
and
are off.
There's snow.
And there's snow. Yeah, we had a blizzard yesterday. We got like a lot of snow yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Dad had the four-wheeler stuck.
I did. I had the four-wheeler stuck and I was plowing. So
Yeah.
anyway, we're gonna build a box fort and we're gonna sleep in it. We're gonna camp out tonight. And this time it's not gonna fall over like our last one. We did another video and it tipped over and fell on us.
And
we're gonna turn this living room into a box fort camping area. So we got a lot of work to do. You ready?
Yeah.
High five. High five. High five! Okay, so we have the couches back to back. And the kids are laying there. I think there's enough room. Is there enough room for me to get in there to
Yeah.
sleep? What do you think, Peyton?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, perfect.
She made your room.
Okay, that's enough room for me. Okay. So now we're gonna get some boxes and maybe even put in a tunnel. What do you think? Pretty cool?
Yeah.
All right. Let's go find some boxes.
Hey, stop! Dad, look.
Okay, here we go. Here's what we got so far. Oh, hey, Max is in there.
Hey, Max.
You checking out the fort? You gonna sleep with us tonight?
You think that's for you?
No.
Jump, jump. Ooh, good jump, kitty.
Like, no way. Don't
So yeah, so we got a tunnel here. Hope just fell down. That's okay. We'll get it back up.
Yeah.
And then we got one support beam for a roof. I might have to go find another one. And we got a wall in place.
You limbo under that, Cam?
Do 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 do. He doesn't even know what the limbo is.
No, he doesn't. We're old.
Okay, so let's keep building.
I can lift this up.
You can.
Today we have a staple gun. Our last fort collapsed. I don't know, you can go back and watch the video. But this one, we're gonna make pretty sturdy. So we're gonna staple this one down. Hold that and hold right there. Can't hold that end.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2. See how it's stapled down? Oh yeah.
How are you stapling it in the wall?
You just pull the trigger.
Can I do it? Try.
Okay, so our roof is stapled on halfway, half the roof. And here's what we got so far. What do you think, guys?
Good.
Pretty cool?
Can I see my fingers?
It's gonna be pretty. I see them. It's gonna be a pretty cool fort in there.
I can see the top of
Pretty
the
cool.
house. This. I can see the top of the house.
Yep. What do you got there, bud?
My Nerf guns.
Nerf guns. We got some Nerf guns to take in the fort. Okay, you never know if we're gonna need those, huh?
Never know.
All right, I cut some more wood, so we got 3 cross braces here. So 1, 2, 3. So now we can put the rest of the roof on. You're gonna have to duck down. You're gonna hit your head, aren't you? It'll be fine, won't it? And the entrance to this thing is gonna be this little tunnel right here. Right there. There's our entrance. I'm gonna have to crawl through that.
That's not the escape
I'm
hatch.
going in the escape hatch.
Tell them why we thought it'd be important to have an escape hatch.
We had an escape hatch. It's important to have an escape hatch just in case one of these boxes catches on fire.
That's right. Good job. Just, you never know.
Never know.
Going
Going
in.
in.
Yeah.
Perfect. I gotta get closer so I can see you once you get down in there. Bye, Cam. Where'd he go? There he is.
Stay in here, guys. I'm going in.
Let's test it out. Daddy's coming too.
And I'm coming in this way.
You're going in the escape hatch?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Go.
Watch this.
I'm watching.
You need help?
This is the hole. No. Hey. Hey, guys.
Go, Peyton.
My chicken is serious.
Woo! Nice job.
Daddy.
Daddy, coming through. This is a very small box. Ah!
You can fit.
Ah! Barely.
Look at that.
Ah! Okay. Ah! Ah!
Dad
Yeah.
actually made it in.
Coming out the escape hatch. Yo!
Yeah.
You steal Daddy's hat? Did you steal my hat?
No.
No. You coming in?
Yeah.
Okay, come on down. Okay, the box fort is built. Now we gotta fill it up, huh? Should we go get some sleeping bags and pillows?
Yeah.
Let's do it!
Let's do it.
Woohoo! Okay, you guys got your backpacks and your loveys? Got your sleeping bags?
Yeah.
Peyton, who do you have?
I have deer.
Deer? Kiana, who do you have?
Goofy.
Yeah. Those are your loveys, huh? All right, let's go show them the fort.
Yeah.
So like we said earlier in the video, there are secret holes and spaces for Cam and his Nerf guns, just in case somebody tries to get us tonight. Oh no, there he is. Oh no. Oh, he wrecked the box fort. The castle fell down. Oh no. That's perfect. If we see any bad guys, that's what you do, okay? You pop out that escape hatch and you knock them down.
Or there's little cracks in here you could pop. You can stick your Nerf gun out and shoot.
That's true, you could do that too, either one. Good job. Okay, so we added a little bit more detail to this and we made a castle. So now we have a box fort castle outlined with Nintendo Switch boxes. Oh yeah, all the way around. Not bad, huh? Time to get the kids' teeth brushed, and it's time for bed because it's 8:30 now, almost 8:30. Way past their bedtime. All right, put the pillow up there, okay. And then spread your sleeping bags out.
Okay. I am.
Okay. Oh, you gotta watch your head, dude.
I'm fine.
Let's take it away from
I had Watch out, Pan.
Sit on Kim's for a second. Get on Kim's sleeping bag so he can spread yours out. There you go.
Where's the pillow? Let us get in mine.
All right, guys, what do you think?
Good.
We can't go to sleep yet. It's only 5 o'clock. But I think we're ready for tonight. Got your little night light.
Yep.
Got plenty of room in there. How is it, Peyton?
Good.
Good? Okay.
I have deer.
You have deer, yep.
I have a sleeping.
And you have so we thought of a cool idea to hang the lantern from the ceiling so it's not in our way at night. Go ahead and turn it on. We used a bungee cord. And there we go. That'll light up our fort, huh?
Yep.
Awesome. Now we just gotta wait for bedtime. You guys brushing your teeth? Ready to go in the box fort and watch some videos? Maybe some Lego videos, maybe some Axel?
Yeah.
Okay. Should be fun. All right, guys, it's 8:30. It's time for some sleep, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna sneak in and we'll watch some videos, okay?
Axel.
Axel, okay.
I won't call my buddy.
I'll get deer. All right, guys, it's after 9 o'clock. We watched the Axel show, which is Cam's favorite, huh? And then we watched some Lego videos, which you like. So it's bedtime. Let's go to sleep. So we'll catch you all in the morning. Hopefully this box fort holds up, and we'll see you in the morning. Good night.
Good night.
Good morning, friends.
Good morning, friends.
It's morning. We made it. The box fort did not collapse. We stayed pretty cozy
Yeah.
and had a good time tonight, huh?
Yep.
We did really good. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoy this. We like making these box forts. The kids love camping out in them. So if you did, leave us a like, because this is a lot of work. We completely rearranged our whole living room for this. Now we got to clean it up. But that's okay. What do you say? What do you say?
Excuse me,
Thank you.
alligator.
Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. We will talk to you later and see you in the next video.